Embark on a wild ride with Hennessey Performance, the masters of turning ordinary cars into mind-blowing powerhouses. Renowned for their mind-bending creations like the 708 horsepower H700 Corvette convertible, Hennessey set their sights on the Ram 1500 DRX, delivering a treatment like no other. Not satisfied with just a dash of extra power, they took inspiration from their off-road crazed Mammoth TRX Overland, cranking it up to 1000 horsepower and adding an extra set of wheels for good measure. But the transformation doesn't stop there. Prepare yourself for the 6x6 Ram TRX, where Hennessey waved goodbye to the 6.2-litre supercharged Hellcat V8, making room for the monstrous 7-litre V8 Hellfant engine, fueled by a 3-litre supercharger producing 15 pounds of boost. This beast roars to life with a staggering 1,200 horsepower, eclipsing even the Hellfant's stock rating of 1,000 horses and 950 pound-feet of torque. And that's just the beginning. Buckle up for a 6-wheel drive extravaganza. Boasting a fully upgraded suspension setup, dazzling LED lights, revamped front and rear bumpers, a redesigned truck bed, and a one-of-a-kind interior. The 6x6 Ram TRX isn't just a truck, it's a symphony of power, style, and innovation that redefines the very essence of a high-performance off-road beast. Step into the realm of automotive marvels with the Rizvani Hercules, a 6x6 truck that stands as a true beast among giants. Born from the Jeep Gladiator platform, it defies all expectations with its 244-inch length, drenched in a bold black hue complemented by striking orange accents. The cabin, a haven of sophistication, boasts optional custom-stitched Napa leather seats, and a suede headliner that whisper luxury. Under the hood, the Hercules offers a trio of powerhouses, starting with the stock 285 horsepower 3.6-litre V6 Pentastar. If that's not enough, elevate your experience with the 500 horsepower 6.4-litre Hemi V8 engine. But hold on tight, as there's a jaw-dropping 7-litre supercharged V8, unleashing an astonishing 1,300 horsepower. Choose your destiny by directing this powerhouse to 2, 4, or all 6 wheels, navigating the terrain with a 3-inch Fox off-road suspension and Dana 60 axles. For those craving an armored titan, the Hercules offers a military edition, solidifying its status as a force to be reckoned with on the face of the earth. In the world of 6x6 trucks, the Rizvani Hercules is not just an option, it's an automotive legend in the making. Step into the world of Apocalypse manufacturing, the avant-garde 6x6 truck builder hailing from the vibrant city of Fort Lauderdale. Each model crafted by Apocalypse is a testament to innovation, featured in a captivating lineup that sets them apart in every aspect. Take, for instance, the Apocalypse Warlord 6x6. A behemoth adorned with a third axle strategically placed between the stock bear, necessitating a bespoke 0.25-inch thick steel frame. Resembling a TRX at first glance, especially in its bold front fascia, the Warlord surprises as it unveils a transformative spectacle along its sides and rear. Beneath the hood roars a Hellcat V8 engine, tuned to unleash a staggering 797 horsepower, surpassing the standard 702. Complementing this powerhouse is a tailor-made suspension system featuring 6 active and electric Bilstein shocks and a Dana exterior axle with lockers. Cruising on 20-inch wheels wrapped in 37-inch all-terrain tires, the Warlord boasts additional features like 4K LED spotlights, power side steps, and a myriad of other enhancements. The extended bed hosts a full-sized spare tire, completing the exterior allure. Inside, indulge in the lap of luxury with a black and red two-tone leather and suede interior. This extraordinary 6x6 marvel, the Apocalypse Warlord, once commanded a price tag of $250,000. This extraordinary 6x6 marvel, the Apocalypse Warlord, once commanded a price tag of $250,000, embodying a fusion of power, style, and unparalleled craftsmanship. Buckle up for a journey into the realm where Apocalypse meets automotive excellence. Watch out for part 3 by clicking on the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you again next time on